plan is to go double on the caliper into the stem, through the stem, down to the other one. Obviously this one is going up to the bar, blank the front. That means all this is clear. So this turned up. Nice. I've gone for all new washers, reason being, look at the difference. Ooh. So my issue is this is straight, so it's pushing the line under there. But on my old forks, I've got different lines, so I can swap the ends because I built these lines. Yeah, these are the forks that snapped. The pin snapped, and that's what smashed the brake banjo. So I had no brakes and then went cartwheeling down the road. Yeah, that hurt. So we've got just a tiny bit come through, so we know that that's bled through. So okay, so that's it bled through. However, because my new discs are hanging on the wall, I cannot pump the brake yet. But I'll let that sit, and if there's any air left in it, it'll come through. And I'll check for leaks on the front caliper and these, just make sure nothing's leaking out of them. But once I've got the discs on, I can put it under pressure and we'll see what happens. It should be fine.